these goals and these dreams. I know I can't live without them. That means I gotta go get it. I know a lot of people, they doubt it. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, wrong.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You know who it is. It's your girl, the Glam Goddess of DIY. Here today to bring you all another inspiring DIY idea. Okay guys, so I'm trying to fix up my gold and black room, and I'm trying to find little things to go in there. And y'all, I thought about these decorative boxes. I've been wanting to make some for so long, but I have been putting it to the side. But today is the day, y'all, so I'm gonna try to make this Rustoleum gloss paint. And you don't have to use this. This is optional. You actually can use or keep the color of the boxes. So guys, what we're gonna do is make those two decorative boxes to go on a shelf. They're not gonna be functional. They're just gonna be decor pieces. Okay guys, so let's get started. So what we're gonna need is, of course, like I said, our black Rustoleum spray paint. We're gonna use this gold tape. Use these gold drawer pulls, and I found these, of course, at Dollar Tree. And we're going to use our blocks from Dollar Tree, and we're going to use these gift boxes. So here I am taking the blocks and I am gluing them to each corner of the boxes. Now guys, we're going to take it outside and paint it black. So this is how it looks after I painted it with the Rustoleum spray paint, and I decided to use some other products instead of the ones I had previously. I'm using this diamond wrap, and I'm also going to use some car trim that I got from Amazon. Okay, so I just used the crystal diamond wrap just to cover the seams on the box. So I'm going to take this car trim and use it to cover the crease in the box. And I'm also going to bend it a little bit so it can have some flexibility so it can adhere better. So here I'm going to use some smaller pieces to act as handles for the boxes so it can give it a finished look. Okay guys, so this is how the decorative boxes turned out. They did turn out really well, and they will make a great addition to what I'm trying to do in this room. I really do like these, and they were simple and easy, Dollar Tree, budget friendly. It did the thing. So guys, if you like what you see or got inspiration from what you see, then you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs. Be blessed. I am.